from Nailah's Word Bazaar, and welcome to the world of words, where learning is fun. Today, I'll be talking about the review of my next favorite book, The Star of Kazan by Ibbotson. This book was first published in the year 2004. Ibbotson was a Vietnamese writer born in the year 1925. This book starts with a cook and a housekeeper finding a baby girl inside the church. They take her back to the house which they worked for and decided to raise her as their own child. She starts living in the servants' quarters of 3 Vietnamese professors. She was called Annika. Everyone was fond of Annika, especially the old woman living next door. She used to tell us stories about her performances during her young age. But one day, a woman arrived at their doorsteps claiming to be Annika's mother. She is then whisked away to an old crumbling house where she is being taught to become a proper lady. While living in the old house, Annika becomes friends with many new people, but she also finds secrets and betrayals. After learning the truth, Annika decided to give one last chance to her mother. But the final straw was pulled when Annika's friends discovered the secret about the mysterious woman who called herself Annika's mother. Annika later realizes that she has 2 wonderful mothers in her world. This is a heart-touching story about a young girl yearning to see her biological mother. Hope you enjoyed this little review. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay updated for more videos.